In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in Etsy, especially designed for beginners who are navigating their shop settings for the very first time. This tutorial will be straightforward and easy to follow, so let's dive right into it. When you're setting up or managing your online shop on Etsy, every detail matters, and that includes having the correct time zone set for your shop operations. This might not seem like a massive deal at first glance, but as you get into managing orders, planning promotions, and communicating with customers across the world, you'll see how crucial it is to have aligned timings. So let's make sure your Etsy shop is perfectly synchronized with your local time. First, you'll need to access your shop manager. This is the hub for all your Etsy shop activities. Log into your Etsy account, and once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Shop Manager button. Click on that, and you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can control various aspects of your shop. Now that you're in the Shop Manager, your next step is to head over to the Settings. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a list of options. Scroll down a bit until you see Settings. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with various settings you can manage. Here, you'll want to click on Options, which will provide you with several customizable settings for your shop. Within the Options section, you will see different tabs you can navigate through. Look for the tab labeled Time Zone. It's crucial to ensure you're on the right tab because this is where we'll be making the necessary adjustment. Once you've clicked on the Time Zone tab, you'll find a comprehensive list of time zones available. Next, you want to select the correct time zone for your shop. Consider where most of your business operations are based, or where the majority of your customers reside if that's more relevant to your needs. Having the right time zone set is important for scheduling purposes and ensuring consistency in your shop. Finally, after you have selected the appropriate time zone, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the page, and click it to apply all the adjustments you've just made. This step is essential. Overlooking it may result in the settings reverting back, causing potential confusion later on. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've adjusted your Etsy shop's time zone, helping to ensure all your shop's operations run smoothly, no matter where in the world you or your customers are. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to check back for more helpful beginner tutorials on managing your Etsy shop seamlessly.